welcome to it. You know I had to do it. Cause where would I be if I wasn't for the music? They hated me when I skated.
Shan Black, this is my Colorado cipher. What goes around comes back around, call it merry-go. Got their attention, they looking like, yo, there you go. Some call it karma, but I call it returning a favor. Murder thy enemy, love thy neighbor. Let's see a hater, then you should bait him. Slip and mistake him and do him as an intruder. Show him how I do it, you do it, and we get bored though. I pull up on the scene, it's looking like an award show. Ask Flavor, he can tell you the time. I mean, it's right twice a day if you paying it mind. If you not paying attention, then just wait for the chime, cause bad news gets better with tequila and lime. Right, out of sight till you caught in the scope. Have a bunch of nobodies trying to enter your dough. Like, who is you and what you want? The only reason you worry cause I got it and I'm on. Take a look into my mind and find while I'm speaking. Half of the truth leaves room for more treason. Hella niggas mad at me cause I'm beastin', and all I ever wanted was rhymes on dope beats. And lil' homie told me, hey Sham, it's your season, and I'ma hold you down as long as I'm breathing. All I had to give, I gave it right back, and we gon' do it big like that. Cause I'm finally on the payroll. Honestly, I'm thankful, cause don't too many make it out of Southeast San Diego. A heart full of passion and a pocket full of pesos, or one day get me to the ears of them radios. But till then, I'm grinding like the clips in them straight Tiger. But I've never been to Michigan. No Bugatti, no Maserati, no red Ferrari, just a cup full of coffee. Dreaming like a midget, cause this life that I'm living, I'd be a lot better with a pocket full of Benjamins. Yeah, Skort.
Well, welcome to it. You know I had to do it. Cause where would I be if I wasn't for the music?
Shout out to Skort Squad officials. Shout out to the Mac Addict crew. Shout out to those Maryland kids, 10K. You know what it is, baby. Colorado Cypher. Peace.